Assalamu alaikum class 5. Right, yesterday you gave me great brainstorming ideas and drafting because you were helping your prince. Very good. You were helping students of grade flower grade students. Now, who can tell me how we should sequence it? Yes, one at a time. Very good. It is a very good idea to help students in class. Whether if it's your own class or if it's a class which is younger than you. It doesn't matter. If it's your own class, it's good. How? You are able to exactly revise your work. जो आपने पढ़ा होगा वो दोबारा आपको अच्छी तरह से याद आ जाएगा, because आप जब किसी अपने फ्रेंड को समझा रहे होंगे, yes, very good, आप दोबारा उसको समझ सकते हैं अपने लिए भी बहुत अच्छी तरह. Very good. Now, what happens if we're teaching lower grade students? Good. We feel confident. Why? Yes, of course. You feel confident in helping your friends or perhaps your younger brothers and sisters in a junior class. That raises your confidence. Good, well done. Why did the principal ask you to help? Why? Why do you think? बस ऐसे ही पूछा होगा? Very good. हो सकता है बाज़ पेरेंट्स ट्यूशन नहीं पढ़ा सकते बच्चों को. So अच्छा है ना अगर स्कूल में आप मिलजुल के एक दूसरे से काम समझने, इसको हम पता क्या कहते हैं? पेयर ट्यूटरिंग. पेयर PEER ट्यूटरिंग. एक दूसरे को पढ़ाना. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था ना, आपके ही क्लास में आपका कोई फ्रेंड, उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा कोई कॉन्सेप्ट, दे आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम. इट डजंट मैटर. यू have understood the concept, you can help them. Supposing उनको brainstorming नहीं आ रही होती है तो आप क्या करेंगे? Exactly. आप उनको किस तरह करवा सकते हैं? Tell me. Very good. आप उनको help करेंगे किस तरह से? ये कहना help करेंगे how? Very good. Ask them to make questions. तो किस तरह होंगे? By making questions. Good. First करें, they want to ask, you will have to, remember we were talking about the pollution of plastic bags in class. So, tell me, how would you ask them to brainstorm? Give them an idea. कोई एक आइडिया उनके दिमाग में डालें कि वो उस पर जंप स्टार्ट करके कोशिश करें बात करने की. For instance, tell me, when you are teaching friends in your own class, concepts like the concept of English, supposing आपके फ्रेंड को समझ में नहीं आ रहा irregular verbs क्या हैं, हमने जब किए थे. So आप क्या करेंगी? Exactly. Help them. How? Make some more verbs. Now आप उनको कहेंगी regular verbs में आता है ing. Irregular does not follow the rule. How? Take the word do, does, did. Okay? Do. If you want to make it a regular verb, she is doing her homework. फिर आप इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे? Do your homework. Good. And then did का, did you do your homework? And does? Very good. Mahnoor does her homework regularly. तो आपने देखा आपने कैसे अपने फ्रेंड को रेगुलर वर्ब्स से इरेगुलर वर्ब्स का कॉन्सेप्ट सिखा दिया. That is what she really enjoys. So you've helped your friend with the concept. Good. Next. It will help to revise and practice. वही वाली बात हुई कि आपने, क्योंकि आपका जो irregular verbs में shaky अगर था वो और मजबूत हो गया क्योंकि आपने कॉन्सेप्ट अपनी फ्रेंड को समझाया. पहले आपने ख़ुद भी सोचा होगा एक दूसरे दफ़ा कैसे होगा, अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे, उसको सिखाने में आपका और पक्का हो गया कॉन्सेप्ट. गुड. It will improve our working skill. The way we work, will be able to work in a far better way, knowing that we can help one another. आपको महसूस होगा अगर मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कोई मसला नहीं, my friend can help me. So the working together is very, very important. What else will it improve? Good. Communication. How? Yes, very good. Because अगर आपकी फ्रेंड को नहीं कुछ समझ में आ रहा, you are going to be making questions, forming questions for them to answer. Good. Well done. What else? It is a good way to benefit other students. Now, tell me, do you understand and do you feel that this is a good idea? जो principal साहब ने कहा था, why don't you come and help your children? Do you think yes, you do agree and you support this? Why? Because it's a good method of helping other students. Okay? Good. So now that you have sequenced it, I want you to look through the video again, think of the sequencing, proofread it. Once you've proofread, before it is published, what are you going to do? Exactly. Make sure you write neatly and carefully. Punctuation का ख्याल हो और किस चीज़ का? Yes, very good. Spellings as well. Send it to your teacher, okay? Once you've sent it, then she can see it. Allah Hafiz.